If you want to become a bookkeeper without experience or a college degree, then this video is for you. I've been doing accounting for 13 years, but I didn't start in bookkeeping. I started as a clerk making $40,000 a year. Now I run my own accounting firm and know exactly what it takes to get hired as a bookkeeper in 2026. This is insider information with an actual process that works. Most people waste years thinking they need a 4-year degree and $50,000 in debt just to get started, but the reality is that you can land your first bookkeeping job making $45,000 to $50,000 a year in just a few months if you do the steps in the correct order. All right, so before we break down all the 5 steps in depth, here they are quickly so that you can see what you need to become a bookkeeper. First step is get your training. The second step is you need to get good at the actual work. Step number 3, you've got to sell and market yourself to employers by creating a good resume and LinkedIn profile. Step number 4, you have to apply the smart way. And then the 5th step is that you need to ace the interview and get hired. So let me break down what each of these steps actually looks like, the different options, what it costs, and how long it actually takes. First, let's talk about training, because this is where most people get confused about their options. So I would say that you've got 3 main pathways here. You can go to college, you can find an online course, or you can try to train yourself. So let me break down the best option first, because you really don't need a college degree to land these jobs. Now, full disclosure, I'm actually the instructor of the course I'm going to mention, so I might be a bit biased, but it's because I developed the course myself using over a decade of industry experience. So I know that it works and applies to actual real jobs that you'd be doing every day. The course takes about 4 to 8 weeks, depending on how much time you can put in. It normally costs either $500 or you can do 4 payments of $150, but with my link, you can get $50 off. The section of the course related to bookkeeping covers everything you actually need to know to do the job, which makes you super employable. You learn accounting fundamentals, how to use QuickBooks, Excel, bank reconciliations, how to read financial statements, all that stuff. And you get coaching support from people who've actually worked in accounting, which is huge. You can ask questions anytime that you're stuck, get help with your resume, help with the job search, all of it. Another option is to go the community college route. That's usually about 6 to 12 months, and it'll cost you anywhere from $3,000 to $8,000. You'll get a more traditional education there. Alternatively, you can try to teach yourself. That's the free to low cost option. You can find plenty of resources online, but there's no structure, no real support, and honestly, it's pretty easy to get overwhelmed or learn stuff that doesn't actually matter for getting hired. So here is my slightly biased take. Course Careers is the best option if you want to get job ready fast. It's the fastest, it's the most affordable, and you're learning from someone who actually knows what gets people hired. Plus, you don't need a degree. That matters a lot when you're trying to start earning money quickly and you don't want to waste time or go into debt. Now, training gives you the knowledge, but here's what actually makes you hireable. Employers don't just want to know that you understand accounting. They want to see that you can actually do the work. There's a big difference between these two things. So here's what you need to be able to do. You need to be good with Excel or Google Sheets. I'm talking about knowing how to use formulas, pivot tables, the basic stuff that makes you faster at your job. You need to know QuickBooks or a similar accounting software. That's what most small businesses use, so if you can show up on day 1 and already know how to use it, you're going to be way ahead of everyone else. You also need to understand accounts payable and accounts receivable. That's basically just tracking money coming in and the money going out. And you need to know how to do bank reconciliations. That's making sure that the bank statement matches what's in the accounting system. The thing is, these are what will separate you from other candidates. Employers would rather hire someone who can actually use the software and do the work than someone who has just the theory down. That's why I made sure that the Course Careers course has hands-on projects where you're actually doing the stuff, not just reading about it. Okay, so once you've got the skills, you also need to be able to show them off in a way that actually gets you interviews. Your resume and your LinkedIn are how you make your first impression. Most people mess this up by being too basic or not knowing how to talk about their background. Here's what you need to do. Show off skills that matter even if they're from non-accounting jobs. So if you've done any kind of organization, data entry, or detail work, that counts. Put it on there. Include any certificates that you have. List your software skills right at the top of your resume. Like right near the top, say QuickBooks, Excel, whatever you might know. For LinkedIn, write a headline that shows you're actually job ready. Don't put seeking opportunities or looking for work. Put something like entry-level bookkeeper, QuickBooks, and Excel. Make it clear what you can do. This isn't about having the perfect background. Most people starting out don't have that. It's about turning what you do have into language that employers actually care about. If you worked retail and you handled cash reconciliation at the end of the night, that's bookkeeping. If you did any admin work where you tracked expenses or invoices, that's bookkeeping. Okay, now while your resume gets you noticed, here's the actual strategy that lands you interviews. First up, clicking apply on job boards doesn't really work anymore. You're competing with thousands of other people doing the exact same thing, so you really need to stand out. Here's the strategy that actually works. First, find 5 companies that you want to work for. Not just any companies, places where you'd actually want to work. Could be small businesses, accounting firms, bigger corporations, whatever fits what you're going after. Next, find the hiring manager, not HR, the actual accounting manager or controller, the person who would be your boss in that position. You can usually find them on LinkedIn. Then you need to get their email address. There are tools like Apollo, or you can use LinkedIn to figure it out. Maybe even check out the company website. Most companies use a format like firstname.lastname@company.com. Now here's the key part. Send them a personalized email, not a template. Mention something specific about their company. Say why you're actually interested in working there. Keep it short, but make it personal. Then apply to the job through their internal process and also send that email to the hiring manager. So you're doing both. You're in the system, but you're also showing initiative by reaching out directly. I know this might feel a little bit uncomfortable and most people don't really want to do it, but that is exactly why it works. Hiring managers would rather hire someone who shows they're actually interested and take the initiative rather than sort through 200 boring applications where people just clicked a button. Okay, so you've done the outreach, you've landed the interview. Here's how to close the deal. The interview is where you prove that you can actually do the work and that you'd fit on the team. First of all, you need to prepare for common questions, like why accounting? Tell me about your attention to detail. How do you handle deadlines? Bring examples of those things. If you've done bank reconciliations, talk about those. If you've created financial statements, mention that. By the way, you will do both of these things in the Course Careers course. Show them that you've done the work, not just learned about it. Ask smart questions as well. Ask about their accounting system. Ask what software they use. Ask what a typical month-end close looks like for them. These kinds of questions show that you know what you're talking about and that you're thinking about how you'd fit into their process. Now, here's the secret that almost nobody uses anymore. After the interview, write a handwritten thank you note. Actually, write it by hand, put it in an envelope, and mail it to the office. If you've interviewed in person, you can even drop it off at reception before you leave. Almost nobody does this, and it makes you so memorable. Hiring managers will definitely mention it. It shows that you care, it shows that you're willing to put in extra effort, and it shows you are professional. Interviews are about showing you're coachable and detail-oriented. The note is what makes you stand out when they're deciding between you and other candidates. That's the 5-step process. Now, let me give you the actual numbers and timeline so you know what to expect. Let's be realistic about what this actually looks like. Timeline-wise, you're looking about 4 to 8 weeks for training, then 1 to 3 months for the job search process. So you could be earning real money in about 3 to 6 months. That's pretty typical for people who actually follow the process and put in the work. Starting salary for entry-level bookkeeper positions is usually between $46,000 and $56,000, and you can grow to $58,000 to $71,000 or more within a few years as you get more experience. That's not bad at all, especially when you consider you don't need to spend 4 years in college to get there. The work environment is usually pretty standard. You're looking at 40-hour weeks. You'll be busier during month end and year end close since those are the times when things get a little bit more intense. But overall, it's predictable. A lot of positions now are remote or hybrid, so you might not even have to go into an office every day. And here's the big thing. Think about this for a second. College is 4 years, plus you're taking on like $100K in debt. With Course Careers, you're looking at 2 to 3 months and $499. You're earning real money while your friends are still in school racking up debt. That adds up over time for sure. This is exactly why I went with Course Careers to teach this course. So a little bit about me. I've been in accounting for 13 years. I started as an accounts payable clerk at Costco. That was my entry level job. I worked my way up to analyst, then to supervisor, and then to manager. I've worked in traditional accounting, I've worked in finance, I've done internal audit as well. and now I run my own accounting firm and I work remotely from Spain. I got my first job through networking. I reached out to someone that I knew who worked at Costco, asked if we could get coffee, and that connection led to my first job. That's why I'm so big on the whole reach out to hiring managers thing. It works. This career let me buy my first home in 2019. It's let me travel all over the world. It gave me the freedom to move to Europe and keep working with clients in the US. I've had a really good life because of this career. Now, yes, I went to college. I have my bachelor's degree and master's in accounting, but here's the truth. I learned about 90% of what I know on the job, not from those degrees. You don't need to start with college. You need to start with the foundation, get hired, and then you can learn the advanced stuff later on if you want. You can always go back to school after you're already making $50,000 a year. That's what I did. I got my master's and my certifications 10 years into my career, not at the beginning. So the course Careers Accounting course, the content related to bookkeeping teaches everything that I just covered in this video. Plus, you get job search coaching with experts who've actually worked in the field. There's a free intro course if you want to just try it out and see if it's for you. The full course is $499 one time or 4 payments of $150. Links in the description. You don't need college to make good money in accounting. Start with the foundation, get your foot in the door, and you can figure out the rest from there. All right, let me wrap this up. The 5 steps are: get good at the actual work, create your resume in LinkedIn, apply the smart way, and land the job. If you're serious about this, check out the free intro course. There's no reason not to start today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and drop any questions that you have in the comments. I'll see you next time.